Code, you're the toughest kid I know, and you're just scared to death of these?
Yeah, I'm not even scared of that young.
Alright, this after feel.
Okay, Cody, you're gonna get your life shot.
It makes your arm feel really weird.
It's making my legs shake. I'm shaking right now.
Cody, I cannot believe you don't do well with shots.
I do so good
That's
with
the Grandpa
shots.
Griffiths in you. Now you're cooled down finally, but Lincoln was cool as a cucumber till he got up there. Now he's just sweating.
Yeah, Lincoln, so much for being so tough.
All dramatic, huh, bud?
Okay, do you need a...
Guys, this is the start of back to school preparations.
And Cody and Lincoln are scared out of their minds.
No, I'm not.
No, Lincoln did okay, but you got sweaty. You were a little nervous. You're cool as a cucumber now.
See, I was just fine with
His
it.
arm is just pumping because I had to get 2 shots.
Yeah, Cody had 2 here and 1 there. I think they should have done 1, 1, and 1.
No.
But no smacking arms, Lincoln.
My arm, well, I just got the really funny one. Like, when they did it, it went in, you could feel every little bit of it. And so my arm was just like, oh my gosh. Like, I wasn't scared. I wasn't pale. Like, I was just kind of fine. But I was like, what in the world? It just felt so funny.
It made me feel nauseous on this one.
Yeah, we got the
because
weird
it
one.
felt like she whittled it around in there.
Well, and then your arm, it was like above it, felt like it was starting to come off. Like, it was weird. It's
Yeah, it's just
it
that
makes
weird
your arm
feeling.
feel weird.
That's not good.
It hurts my ears to wear like that, so I'm gonna take them.
Face is white.
Oh, look at my forehead.
Yeah. I thought Cody was
Yeah, you
gonna
feel a
go.
lot better now, but you were sweating. I could see it. All right, Tito, quit playing with stuff. Let's go.
Oh, you did? Oh, well then maybe I shouldn't ask you how it was. Well, Joel, you can delete this clip if it's a repeat. But how was everything?
Good. My arm feels like off.
1, 3.
Yeah.
3 shots?
He got 3. I got 1 and Lincoln got 1.
Nothing like a back to school vaccination checks. Yeah. Did Dad show the full outfit, like the full pan?
Yes.
Okay. This is Olivia's birthday outfit. She's obsessed. She's obsessed. I'm obsessed.
I love you. I need to comb my hair though. It is.
Did you show that you rode in the Razor?
I did.
Yeah, they rode in the Razor, which yes, that will.
I asked, I was like, wait, Dad, can we ride in the razor? She's like, yeah, we just gotta move the coolers. I'm like, okay, let's move them. Because I just wanted to go on there.
Yeah, that's a surefire way to get your hair all tangled.
That's fun.
All right, before you two head out and go anywhere today, I need you guys to do me a favor.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, not even do me a favor. I need you to do some chores. So this is the state that we left the house, you know, when we went to bed last night. So we're gonna have you guys do the dishes, put all the garbage in the garbage. I want you to wipe off counters, do all the, you know, all the kitchen cleanup things. Yes, yes. Do a really, really good job. And I'm excited because we're slowly getting trickles in for Boston's new church outfits because he, in his words, I can't do this anymore.
I can't take it anymore.
It's enough slices! TikTok reference if you didn't get it.
I don't know that one, but it sounds like I would enjoy it.
Joel, are you aware that Lincoln is running around the yard with your tools? He had pliers in his hands and was like running around the yard.
Looking for things to wire.
Why did you have pliers in your hands?
I was smushing the apples that fell down.
Okay. Well, you know, I will give you at least put it away.
No. That's better than I did.
Yeah, it's better than leaving it out in the yard. That was so funny. I didn't catch it soon enough, but he seriously was like what's that
Juke?
No, turpentine.
Serpentine?
Serpentine. He was like going side to side, running around the yard. I'm like, I don't know what is happening, but this is bad news.
I like you, little boy.
Let's talk vlog logistics for just 1 second while I clean out the fridge. I know I've kind of mentioned this before. Joel does not have the capacity to be working on the house all day and then to be editing like full vlogs. So I started doing a couple of them and that was helpful, but I don't know how to do anything other than just like do a basic clip together. And also, Joel does not want me working all day while he's working all day. He wants me, and I want me, to be continuing to be happy and calm and focusing on the kids. So that's something that we have come to an agreement on. So in order, okay, I have made this salad. I don't think we're gonna be done with the salad. Oh, there's just so much in here. I just wish I could just throw everything out and start over, but I don't really want to. Now, in order to have someone help us with vlogging, helping us with editing, we have to be a week ahead because that's just what they require of us, is to have a week ahead in our schedule. And that is really difficult to do when you're not ahead, because how do you get a week ahead in vlogs, right? So you double down and you do a couple in a day. You kind of just have to think about it. So instead of just picking up and filming just whatever's going on in the day, I film whatever's going on in the day, and then I make a special effort to like film a vlog. You know what I mean? Or I film more often than I normally would. Okay, so that's how I'm getting ahead. And I've gotten a week ahead. I was going through looking at footage, and I don't know if I thought I had more footage in a day or not, or if we lost some footage along the way. But this vlog that you're watching right now was Joel took the kids to the doctor's. I know I had a second half to this video. I just can't remember what it was. And this is what I hate about getting ahead. I don't like getting ahead and then like forgetting about the video. In a way, that's good for like mental health. So that when it reaches you guys, I'm over it, it's done, and like it doesn't affect me if someone doesn't like what happened or whatever, because it's like old news, right? But the same token, it's like I am losing this connection with the audience because, like, you know, there's a little bit of a disconnect there. Even though like they're still going up, I'm still like looking at comments every day. It's just, if I want to respond to those comments like in a video style, it was a week ago, right? So I don't know. But then also it's a really good thing because like we have our Bear Lake trip coming up. We don't have to edit while we're there because we're already a week ahead. And so it is really nice, but I wish that somehow I could have the benefits of both, but it just doesn't work that way. And if I want some help with my editing, I have to get ahead. Gosh, okay. It's okay. It's okay, Lincoln. I do actually prefer posting more close to the actual day, like in real time. I would prefer that, but in order to make this work, we've got to be ahead. So I'm just kind of letting you know the logistical part of it.
Mom, is this how you should skate with the helmet?
I don't think so, sweetie, but you are not leaving until you eat your lunch. Please sit down and eat. Take that off, and I want you to sit down and eat. This child tells me he's hungry every day, and when I get him food, he doesn't eat it, and it drives me crazy. So you're not getting off that table until you eat lunch. So sit down and eat your lunch. So even though you don't realize that it's like, okay, the first part of this video was filmed a week ago, and then I realized there wasn't enough footage, so I'm telling you about it. Like, I just don't like that. Like, it just feels kind of weird to me. You would know by my nail color. That's like the biggest giveaway. It's like, wait a minute, your nails were a different color in the other vlog. I don't know. You would think like, oh, people don't pay attention like that. 100% yes they do, and I hear about it in my DMs. And you know what, that's okay. I think it's kind of fun. And Lincoln, you were the one that begged me to buy these cherries and you haven't eaten them. So when you need a snack, I want you to eat the cherries today, okay?
I haven't eaten most of the cherries. Of all kids.
What?
I've been eating most cherries out of all kids.
Oh, what? Let's see what's in your mouth. I'll tell you who wants some of your lunch. Yep, lady. Hi, sweetie. She's like, oh, well. Okay, shh. The shelves are clean, and I am convincing myself that this is what we're gonna have for dinner, even though I do not want leftovers. I have had this salad more than, you know, plenty. The first bite I had of this chicken was full on gristle, and so it just put a bad taste in my mouth about it. Everybody loves watermelon. We're gonna finish up the fruit. And now I need to make a grocery shopping list because, I mean, I need to put all of these things back, but it looks prettier without it. And I have like no eggs, so I need to, you know, grocery shopping, and that's what I'm going to finish my day doing. Now that my kitchen has the counters cleared off and the fridge cleaned out, now I feel like I can mentally go grocery shopping. And after tonight, this will be gone, so I definitely need to fill my fridge. So I sat down and I'm gonna tell you 2 things that I'm going to make that are like easy and like pretty good for you. Okay, we're gonna do avocado toast one of the nights. So we'll do toast, you'll mash the avocado with lemon juice, like mash it up really good so it's kind of creamy, layer that on, layer tomatoes, salt and pepper, drizzle balsamic glaze. That's like a fresh, easy, light dinner. So we're gonna do that. And then, this is really easy, and this is what we always have on like road trips. It's so easy. You just like rip up a rotisserie chicken, cut up hard-boiled eggs, cut up tomatoes, avocado, salt and pepper. You could put balsamic on it if you wanted to, or spritz it with lemon juice, or just eat it with salt and pepper. It's basic, but it's good, and it's just like a fresh bowl. You've got like protein and other stuff in it, I don't know. Anyway, I just want to keep it really simple, so that's what I'm going to get for just those 2 simple meals. What are you guys eating for fresh summer meals? I feel like I'm a little bit at a loss. So if you guys have any good suggestions, let's just share them in the comments. Let's just share those fresh summer meals, okay? Because like I said, I'm at a loss. You guys, I'm gonna close the vlog. Thank you for watching and listening to kind of like just what I've had on my mind today, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.